What's going on, everyone? Thomas from Powerhouse Performance here, and today I'm here to talk about this badass 2022 Ram 2500 Power Wagon. For the suspension side of things on this Power Wagon, we went with a 3-inch, mildly optioned out Carli suspension Pintop system. It features front and rear King 2.5-inch shocks, front and rear coil springs, track bar, and we optioned with the high and low mount stabilizers. In the wheel and tire department, we went with the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss 37 1250 17, and we wrapped that around a new Method race wheels, Trail Series 17-inch wheel. And remember, if you're looking to get something lifted, leveled, lowered, or any kind of performance parts, don't forget to check us out online, www.powerhouseperformance.com, or call the shop and talk to one of our qualified sales reps, 805-624-6284.